Peace to each and every one of you. I welcome all of you once again this wonderful afternoon. Yes, here we come again. There is no peace for the wicked. I repeat, there is no peace for the wicked. There is no peace, and there will never be peace for the wicked. Ala-Igbo has a way of removing, recycling, buying those who do not want peace in Ala-Igbo. Yes. Why I'm here today is two reasons. One, to show that I'm happy at least that something is happening to those who do not want peace in Igbo land. Something is happening. I don't want to even share anything on my Facebook, anything like that. I don't want to share anything. I got a lot. Something is really happening. You see, the thing is that you cannot, how on earth do you think you can intimidate a whole nation, a whole people, a whole nation of people? How is that possible in your head? How come you chose violence? How come you chose criminality? How come? Who convinced you to do that? Who convinced you to live the life you are enjoying in whichever way you are enjoying it? Because for me, somebody who is alive, who is not sick, you are alive. If someone take ta and point you on the head and want to shoot, you will say sorry. No matter how hungry you are, no matter how hungry you are, you will be begging and pleading for life. You will not say, oh, okay, you know what, I'm even tired of this life, take me away. You will not say it. So why would you trade your freedom, your peace, with violence, with criminality, jumping from one place to the other, grouping and meeting to go and commit carnage? Why would you choose that type of life? That's the question. Who advised you to do that? Who convinced you that that is the best way? Who convinced you that that is the best way? That person who convinced you, where is that person? Is that person there with you? Is that person jumping from one area to the other with you? Is that person facing the dangers you are facing and the bias that you guys are being eyed? Is that person facing that with you? Why would somebody sit in a very cold country, in the comfort of his living room, and be controlling your life, and be eating chicken, and be using toothpick to remove toothpick, and be drinking water, drinking apple juice, orange juice, every kind of juice, seeing his families, his children, his wife, and then piloting you, manipulating on your brains, commanding you to go and buy, commanding you to go and be captured by the state apparatus, commanding you to go and be captured, arrested, and finished by the state actors, by the state force. How is that possible? What type of human being are you? They have not born anybody who would convince me to go and sacrifice my life? How is it possible that somebody will stay abroad? I don't know how that happens. Somebody will stay abroad and use you and send you to go and become a sacrificial lamb, and send you to go and waste your life. Come and see the image of the picture of these boys that are buried. How when they are lying on the floor, you see hunger. Even in their dead body, you see hunger. Even in their buried bodies, you see hunger. They've not even eaten, not even good food, not even good clothes. Dirty human beings with charms everywhere. Even the charm failed them. Even the charm, millions upon millions of charms on their body, yet you abide. No good life. How sometimes how did that become possible? That somebody, I think all human beings are not equal. It has been said, all human beings are not equal. There are people that are born to become sacrificed. For some people, there are fools. There are people who decided to become fools. Efulefus. Igbo people call them efulefu. Lost people, ndefulefu. People who are lost. Efulefu. Maybe the white people who created the word fools, maybe they got it from the word efulefu. Efulefu. And efulefu, well, nde na-edufu ha, nde ndufu, na-edufu ndi chọrọ ịda efulefu. Yes, because it is only a efulefu who does not know his left from the right, or his right from the left, that would be programmed and manipulated and hypnotized into going to be buried, into going to be sacrificed for somebody who is eating chicken in his living room. Nobody can do that to me. My brain is too sharp that you cannot even manipulate me. I will tell you, hey, are you crazy? I will tell you, F-U-C-K. Go and do it yourself. Because you begin to ask, are these people human beings? Who deceived them? Who deceived them? The same thing we've been shouting. Somebody will stay in London and tell you to go and put petrol in a bottle and go and put barrier for the state operators, the military, and throw them petrol bomb. And when they are in panic, you come after them. Meanwhile, that person that is saying this thing, that is saying those things to those boys, are somewhere at the comfort of his room in London. Now he's no longer in London, he's in dungeon. He is no longer in London, he's in dungeon. Now he's hiring all forms of lawyer at your expense. Hey, Chineke nna biko, kedu na otu nzuzu, kedu na mgbe mmadụ na ga-amara ihe? Not at his expense, but at your own expense. You are contributing money and paying for the lawyer. Meanwhile, if you are arrested, now let me ask you a question. Those ones that are captured alive from all these flavors that are disturbing the peace of the people, those ones that are captured alive by the state operators, by the security services, the army, the police, who are they not your members? Who will contribute money for them that they should be released? Which lawyer will go for them? Which lawyer will go for them? Or all heads are not the same. Some are meant to be used as sacrifice for their leaders. Some are meant to die. That is, some are meant to be used to sacrifice for their leaders who are chopping. Now, let your lawyers go for those people. I mean, they will even die. They will still die because some of them were shot and they were alive and confessing. Do you know how many people that the military had captured and the police had captured with that their uniform? With that their uniform, black and black. Some even wear military camouflage. You know, crime does not pay. Share my video, please, my people. Share my video. You see, do you see how fast death comes? Do you see how fast you can be buyed? That time when you are when you are high on something, maybe maybe Igbo, or maybe anything, and you are driving with all your men, with the Ekwenche, you know, going to burn vehicles and buy people, even buy pregnant women. That time when you are doing that, you see, your brain is not there. Your thinking faculty is not there. Your human nature has left you. You think you are invisible. You think with all the charms that you wrap around your body that you are invincible, that nothing is going to happen to you. That is what you be thinking. But you see, do you see how fast death can come? You've succeeded in killing 1 or 2 or 3 people, but all of you have been buried. All of you have been arrested and buried and wasted. Your own is gone. In fact, your own will be worse because there will not be anything like burial for you. Your people will not even come for you. Your mother, your father, your wives, your children have lost you because you are a fulefu if you go. Eventually, if you go. And then you will be thrown inside somewhere and acid will be poured and you just melt like plastic. If you go. You know? So do you see how fast these things can reverse? Just yesterday, or day before yesterday, you just drove around, burn some things, shoot some couple of people in order to bring fear on your people. Now, your own is gone. You are now lying down, lying down, and then you see hunger. You see hunger stricken Efulefus lying down on the floor with all your ekwenches, different forms. Nothing could save you. Is that all life has got to offer for you? Is that why you were born? Is that why your mother, and none of them is even up to 50, 20-something, 30-something, or even 40? Is that why your parents gave birth to you? No fulfillment in life, just like that? Just like that? Hey, this sweet life, is that how you wasted your life? Is that how you wasted your life? You think you are invincible. Nothing they shall, nothing they happen. Now, hey, Chineke, the same Simon Ekpa is still alive. He is still alive, living still in the same place he's living, enjoying in his parlor, using ordinary video and talk to send you people to go and die. Now check here. Let us reason. Share no video. I plead with everybody who is watching me right now to share this video. I plead with everybody watching me right now to share this video, put on the notification bell, and like my page. Please. share this video, like my page, and put on the notification bell. Let us reason. I mean, boys, let us reason. All the people that are sending new people, all the people that will come out and make videos and send you and call, because they have people, you people are, you have your head, you have your commander, you have the one that is under the commander, and then you have you that are sacrificial lambs. All those Simon and his people that are calling you people, that are sending you people to go and hit this place anywhere, do not allow election anywhere, do not go to INEC office, bomb everywhere, kill, buy everybody on the 9th, on the 10th, on the 11th, go any place you see people, burn any vehicle you see, buy as many people as you see. All those people that are sending you, including Simon Ekpa. Now, all of you are dead. I mean, I'm not talking to the ones that are dead now. I'm talking to the ones who may still be alive. All of you your colleagues who are dead, the same Simon Ekpa who sent you, is he not living? Is he not alive? Enjoying his natural ntoi in Finland. This is midwinter. This is midwinter. If I am in Germany, I cannot even stay in my car, like stay in my car outside. Whether I wind up my car or whether I wind down my car, I can't stay outside inside my car. I'll be frozen. He is enjoying himself, enjoying natural Ntoi, because that place is fucking cold. But you are enjoying heat. Obi mapo, egu, on, kine enjoy. Now you are dead. He is alive. He will be alive till the end of this year. Now your own has gone like that. This is how to reason. This is how to think. He will still call you people, the ones that are alive, to go and sacrifice yourself. He will not tell you that the army will be after you. He will not tell you that the police will be after you. He will not tell you that you cannot win this war. No. Take it from me. You cannot win this fight. Instead, you will toyandogi. You will sacrifice yourself. See shooting. Man, see, and these people, you are not even trained. Hey, you will only go and you shoot people just at random. You are not even trained to shoot. See the army. See shooting. See people's head. That is how do you think you would win this thing? Who told you this? Who sold these lies to you people? Check your panel in here. This year, 2020, for the 2022 Kano, in December, you are gone. Simon Ekpa is still alive. He will work at 31st of December. He will do end of the year party and enter next year. Even the ones that are still watching me or that may still be used now, he will still send you people. You will go and you will die. He will be alive, drinking his apple juice and orange juice and all kinds of juice. You know? You know? Tell me, why do you not think kedebe chichegi jebelo kedeka mmadụ ga-esi wee bulu egbe buyegi si gije kosasịa mana nyawa tupu na be? How can somebody send you and arm you and say go and disrupt the peace of a state where there are army barracks, where there are police barracks, where the government, there is a sitting governor? Someone will send you, not even that you're even up to 2 battalions, not even that you're, maybe you are just a few people, and then you can't even come out openly. You'll be going like ta 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 like that, And then you think you are invisible. You will go and you succeed, you kill. So you don't know. Let me tell you people one thing. In Enugu, yes, I think you people succeeded in killing 1 or 2 or 3 people in Enugu the other day. You understand? But you are being watched. Whether you are still in the bush or not, wherever you are gathering, you are being watched. Helicopter goes around Enugu every time. You see, you cannot win this war. That is what I'm telling you. You can't win this fight. You are only sacrificing yourself, your life. Go and get married, go and get a trade, go and get a skill. Je baalo ngulu. Na po na village gije kobubu. Okaligimma. Okaligimma. Onye sigi je mehena je piakasi ebedota. If somebody is sending you to go and hit these people, buy people here, destroy there, burn any vehicle you see, tell that person, Nina Puala, tell that person you are crazy. Why not come down and lead us? At least let him come down and lead you. You know? And do you even know? Not even the ones that are dying, I don't even know. Sometimes I miss the ones that are being buried are even those hungry ones that don't know their left from their right. Once in a while, they will capture their organs. But the ones that are being buried are the ones they will put in either Sienna or inside any car they took from somebody, and then disguise themselves and use it and go and do a brisk, very fast attack. And these are the ones they capture. Even your leaders, your commanders, it is once in a while. They don't capture them every time. So why do you sacrifice your life just like that? Why not tell them to join you? Even if you must do it, tell them. Call those Simon Eba and their cohorts and all your to enter, to be in that same vehicle. Let all of you go. So that if you are going to sacrifice yourself, all of them will also sacrifice themselves too. Just imagine, just look at the way they are lying on the floor like nkankakwa, like old okrika clothes. Like this. With isi hageteoge, umfodafo hageteoge, with their so-called charms. Biko onye bolu no gwa ha obadelu nu datna no ime pam it disappear. Ndị ba na akpia isahu, that is ifuo or ihuo. Ndị ba na akpo ige efukwa, so isahu onye bolu no gwa ha obadelu nu no olupa ha na piam wim ifuo. Inekwala ọgwụ ọbụrụ ofu ọbụrụ ibu ọbụrụ ịtọ. Why is na dị ọgwụ alụrụ ọlụ? Ifugo kedu ife kpatara iji wee je were ọgwụ ahụ ya jio n'ukwu? Maka na ị chọrọ ịnwụ. Maka na ị chọrọ ịnwụ, because na ịma na ihe ị na-eje bụ a very very dangerous operation. Hey, and achọrọkwa m ịnwụ. At least ka ọgwụ achebe m, ka egbe ghara ipu m alụ, maọbụ ka m disappear. Mana ị disappear. Ihe na-ekwu bụ fọ ndị ka dị ndụ nọ somewhere. Maka ụfọdụ n'ime unu wee ike fụ vidio ma unu bụfu ụmụnne m o. Mana ụdị ihe a bụ o nwere ndị na-eyi uzu ụbụrụ unu. Simon Eba, I swear, na-eyi uzu ụbụrụ unu. O nwere ike sef ọ bụrụ na-akwụ gị ụgwọ na eduyere ya ka ọ na-eme ihe a. O nwere ike sef ọ bụrụ na eduyere ya ka ọ na-akọsụ this trouble this time na Ala-Igbo na December na January, even until ruo mgbe a ga-eme election. O nwere ike ịma ha osef. Ịmara ndị na-akwụ ya ụgwọ. Iwere onwe gị jene na sacrifice. Ọ nọ ọnọdụ ka even political thuggery, like election, people na-aba na-eme election. the politicians say buyege when you go uneje waste your wound police ababu na ebe na just snatch ballot box or destroy ya or distract ya ebe na actual election. The place, you know, the point, the polling booths and other things, you go and destroy it. And then why would you accept to go for such an operation where you could be killed? Why the politician who is sending you is sitting in his office, and somebody usually gets the contract for that type of job? It is not the person who gets that contract from the politician that goes the actual operation. The person who gets that contract will just sit down and settle you guys. You will be going with the hope that you will succeed and come back without knowing that you may be killed. So, do you know that somebody may have even paid Simon Ekpa? And he's enjoying. He'll just be enjoying. Awful picture. Do you think he does not see the your dead bodies? How you were killed and to blown off. Do you think that he doesn't see it? He sees it. But when he sees it, it is nothing. Your life is worth nothing to him. That's why he is sending you to such a dangerous operation. That's why he doesn't care for you. He doesn't care about you. You are just a sacrificial lamb. That will not deter him from sending another people or making calls or making videos so that other people will still go. No, he has no value. He has no respect for you guys. So, and I'm saying, do you know if somebody may have settled him? Nah, you know, you are the relevant person when it comes to this issue of Biafra. So, Biafra say or Biafra no say. You are the relevant person. Okay, what can we want to, you know, what do you think that warrants him to be calling for sit-at-home for how many days? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is because of the courage he thinks he must have mustered from the Monday sit-at-home. And he's preparing for 30 days sit-at-home. Do you know do you see where he's heading to? Do you see where he's heading to? Some people are sponsoring him. Some people like what he is doing. Some people want him to bring Igbo land to a halt. And he'll be proud. I saw one video where he was showing the balloon there Nobi as Akwobi, you know, where he was training. He trained when he finished training in that fitness studio or Nabu na Pali Atupuru name video. He trained potano no bono. Is it not the best thing when you finish training, like he was showing in that video? When you finish training in your fitness studio, in your gym, or in the gym where you go, where you registered, where you were going, when you finish, then you come. Do you understand? Then we know you are a man. Then we know you are a man. When you finish training, you come out and not only go see Akpo Bigi. Then the bounce out. I am okay. Not when you finish training, you will be using your muscles. Your muscles. You'll be using it to be attracting women, girls, ladies, and enjoying your life, going to party, wearing tight body hugs, and the ladies will be attracted to you. You'll be going here and there and enjoying your life, while some people are dying. Now fugo ka the things now check here. Una go show dress is very fine. Man, una be so dirty, so hungry. Afu na bacha de ni because ni libero no. Ima kweba no, imudi ni go ta. Ihe akita funu fu yesterday na me video na ana ma we ha ihe de ka ebe 3 or 4 in a day. One ndo atoka. Onwere ife na atom ka this thing. If familiar. Hi. Kachanke julo yi. maka anwụ dị, even though na nke jiri ya nara adịcha mma, nna nkụcha nri nkụsịa nri ewerezie nwa ya na-amịzi mmiri, nna ahụ ọ na-atọ m nwụsịa ndewekwa na moto. Enwere m ihe a different places, enwere m ya na moto m, enwere m na ọfịs m, enwere m n'ụlọ, enwere m everywhere. Nwụcha nri si otu a, nri sie mmiri dị m na-arụ na-amịzi mmiri a, and na-aṅụ mmiri ife ọ na-atọ m tu ekere ya nya ka ị ga-eburu agụụ na-akwụgharị n'anwụ iribere nri wute egwu. Ịma ife egwu na-eme mmadụ n'arụ, ịma ihe egwu na-eme mmadụ n'arụ. Egwu na ịmarakwa ihe ga-eme gị, na ịmarakwa na a ga-ejide gị, na ịmarakwa na ndị eke anọ n'ụzọ, na ịmarakwa na ndị nnukwu akpụkpọ ụkwụ anọ n'ụzọ, na ịmarakwa na ndị amị. You know fear, you'll be living in fear. You won't be enjoying yourself. You are hungry, you are unkept, you are dirty, you are smelling. Why the person who is sending you to die is showing off in the fitness studio. And then enjoying himself with the girls. And then you are dead. And then he's sending you to die. Just check it now. If I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. Please, if I'm lying, tell me you are lying. And if you say I'm lying, then come out and join them and go and do that same operation. Why are you killing yourself? Do you think you can defeat? Do you think you can defeat the army? Do you know when your leader in dungeon were telling you guys that the barracks are empty? He was deceiving you and he was telling you people that the barracks are empty in order to give you that false narratives and false hope to go and be facing. For how long are you going to be are you going to continue sacrificing your life, yourself, for somebody who is so fearful that he cannot even come back? And even when he wants to come back, he will be sneaking in. You did not want to die like this. Because you did not want to die like this way, that's why you got all those charms. But you see, come and see how many of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Man, Kunuha, Kezebe, Odeshini Nahujewere, Kezebe. Disappearing one jebel. Kezebe Ikukama no yan kunu jebel. Makabu Mikukama no ya. Hi, Chireke. Ihoja na toto. Almo dobu tula Ikukama no ya. Sorry. Life is sweet. Njaba one. Life is very sweet. Chiki Aniewelo, Ekenepwengu, my brother. I greet you. Longest time. I greet you. Huh? Hi. No, I am short of words. You know, when you people go and buy people and burn their vehicles like you used to do, your Oga, who is sending you people to go and die, will be praising you. You'll be drinking and you think everything without knowing that you'll be dying the next. You'll be died the next day, or the next hour, or the next minute. Hey, Even Nemo Fia drops even Nemo Fia drops safe for you. By the way, now happens on Nemo Fia safe. Because Nemo Fia ni na and a combuzi mafia ni na. Kita ka Amazon Nemo Fia wali hopota and a combuzi mafia ni na. One of the best thing bo quit violence, quit criminality, embrace peace, pursue life, come and struggle, come and hustle. Balo ngul walon dugu melife. Je no nwa je cho ife galu. N'ifu wabumbembe. Ifu wabumbembe. Ifu wabane no dika de me Michael Jaya do ya gwegu. Ifu wabumbembe. Come. Ifu wabane no dika de me. Ifu wabumbembe. Ifu wabunwanyo. One step at a time. Melo tarono. One step at a time. Ine kupara no this oxygen ine kutaya. Ne nweta wajayi jerini one step at a time. Stop listening to all these deceivers who deceive you and send you to be used as a sacrificial lamb. It must not be you. It must not be you. It must not be you. Tell them it must not be me. Come down. Come down. Let all of us go and face them. And let all of us die. Call them. Tell them to come down. Ask them, when are you people going to come down? Ask them, why are you sending lawyers to Abuja to defend our leader who says it is Biafra or dead? Why is he interested in coming out? Coming out to do what? Coming out to go back to his house and be relaxing and be chilling and shut his mouth and never talk anymore. Which will now mean that all of you who have sacrificed your life and died are simply sacrificial lambs. Is that why they are hiring lawyers? Is it no longer Biafra or dead? One, if it is Biafra or dead, tell all of them to come back. Tell all of them to come back. Stop this thing. You cannot win the army. You cannot win the police. Madanara no ogu iberibe. Ogu iberibe. Ifucha di mpakage ijento ogu. Olu ufuaku tibunyo ganya. Ufuaku oge tigi. Otibunyo ganya. Ibia ogu. Ibia one on one. Ibia one on one. Eh? One on one. One on one, come on, I give no ogu. You mogu. Unwelu ufuaka nti. Ufuaka nga akoge. Imam ihe hitirigi. Madana reja atonye kalili ogo. O iberibe kobo. So you cannot win this war. You cannot win this fight. Stop it. Stop sacrificing your life. Je cho ulu igaba no wa eputalo. Je me uwagi. Je me bu uwagi na ana me uwam. Ifleba no ana me uwam. Ana me uwam. Ananka ge me uwam more self. Je me uwagi. Je mutanwa. Je enjoy your life. Go and fulfill your purpose in life. Go and fulfill your purpose in life. Yes. Tell them to come back. Let me see who wants to. Someone wants to. listening. Tell Simon Ekpa to come back. And people, stop allowing yourself to be used as sacrificial lamb. Stop it. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, sir, from the United States.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are you
Welcome.
doing with your families?
We are doing wonderfully well. Thank you.
Okay. It's so shocking. I just decided to join your group this morning. I so much appreciate what you are doing.
Thank you.
But like you are saying, why can't Simon Ekpa come back to Igbo land? Does he know how many people have been wasted, killing people every day? Is this the way to get the Biafra?
He knows. He knows. He knows. But that is how cowards operate. That is how cowards operate. They would want people to go and do their fighting for them. They will not come out themselves.
It's appalling. It's a very bad thing.
Appalling. Very, very. Very, very. It's so sad that this is happening in Igbo land.
Yes, so killing innocent souls every day. Every day. I think that guy should be extradited back to Nigeria to face charges. And this is the most important thing. That guy needs to be extradited back to Nigeria to face charges. Because he committed great crime against humanity. Simon is not a human being. And to the idiots who are following and listening to his advice or his message, I think they got it. They saw people lying down. All of them are dead now. They're not going to wake up to come and start killing people, killing innocent souls, telling everybody I need to Biafra. They're crazy.
Yes, he has to be extradited. Honestly, I don't know why. I don't know what the Nigerian state is waiting for. Simply diplomacy. Okay, the Foreign Affairs Ministry. Simple diplomacy. They should go to Finnish embassy and then process these things and then go there. You see this very person that is making this noise. When you catch him, you will see how little he is.
I see him. It's just like it's just like I don't know. Yesterday I was seeing him boasting that he will be the last man standing, and I pop to be chased away. That okay, make it on them money here. He will kill people. That God ask about Simon. Ask who prepare me, who cook me. Can you imagine? Such an idiot.
Yeah.
No, a process has to be applied to extradite that guy. Yeah, they have to pressurize on the government now. Let that guy be extradited back to Nigeria. Let him face charges and receive torture and see how it hurts. A lot of souls have been terminated because of his ignorance. I mean, it's not feasible. They're just fighting a lost battle. I appreciate everything you are doing, and I want to say a big thank you. Okay? My regards to your family. Yes, this is 7:58. I'm almost entering the shower now to take a shower and go to work. Nishike, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
There's another guest we're having.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. I would just like to be this way. I don't know if it's okay by you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm talking from Dortmund, from Germany.
Oh, okay. Dortmund.
Yeah, I'm watching from Germany. I always watch you. I got to know about your page through Ijele because I'm a follower of Ijele. So the thing there is it's really Ijele posted some things. Even this Blessed they posted some things that happened. Is it this morning or yesterday? on the WhatsApp group. So it's really painful and so touching. You understand? Because for our youth to allow themselves to be used by people abroad that are living fine is something of pain. It's something of pain, as in a deep pain in the heart. Because me, I'm a youth. And I can't imagine myself being in Nigeria, somebody abroad, with his family abroad, will be deceiving me. Why I know I have parents I'm supposed to take care of. Somebody will be deceiving me, telling me he will do this. Then those abroad that are sponsoring it, that are using it to seek asylum, here are here using it to seek asylum. Then you back home, you are the one hitting up the southeast for them. Then they are here using it to seek asylum. Then those ones at the higher level are using it to collect money from those back home and those seeking asylum here. So if you see it, it's more of a business. And to extradite that guy, truly like the first caller said, I don't really know what Nigeria government is waiting for. But you know, sometimes, I'm so sorry to say this. You see this thing happening in the Southeast. To me, the way President Muhammadu Buhari and Nigeria government keep silent, I like it a little bit. Because when this thing started, it started Gweke. Igbos were crying and shouting that that's how Buhari want to wipe Nigeria. Igbos, they want to do this, they want to do that. Now, the man has left them. It's like to your tent to Israel to watch them. You understand? To watch them. Because even if it comes out now again, pump up, it's not like if they put military around the Southeast, everything will come down. Anybody they see that looks questionable, if he cannot identify himself very well, they waste the person, because so many innocent souls are gone and they are dying on daily basis. You're telling me you're fighting for freedom while they are catching places that they are roasting human beings and eating them, and people are dying every day. And you tell me, okay, now they will say now they can't say no, sit at home. The other side, they will say they sit at home. Everybody is scared, and they think people are only scared of coming out. Not like they are obeying that. People are tired. People are tired of everything. So my own is just, if there is a way you guys can really pressurize, I don't know if it's Nigeria government or whatever, they should go and write to Finland. That guy is easily, it's very easy for them to get him. Because it's very easy. He should have, if he's not having the finished passport, he should be having a resident permit. We are all in Europe. We know it's very easy. As long as this Europe is concerned, we cannot hide if you commit crime. If you are living in Germany, if you like go to Greece, that is far from. Once they put your hand in the machine, they will see where you're coming from. But I don't really know if this thing is politics. That is what I don't understand. If it's politics they are playing, I don't understand. I don't really get. I don't understand what is happening. So you guys should really try to see if there is a way, because I always hear Ejele sometimes, he used to say they will write petition and all those things. At least you guys that are in the front line trying to see how Ala-Igbo will be good should really try, because those of us, you know, if we come Christmas again. I buried my father last year. I came to Nigeria last year. I buried my father. I came back. Some friends of mine in UK were saying that, you tried to go. Most people are scared. Even those of them that are sponsoring it and giving them money here from Western world, they cannot go to Igbo land and visit, because Bullet doesn't know who is supporting and who is not supporting. Some people that are dead were once supporters of this thing they are doing. They were once supporters of it. Some people that are gone were once supporters of it. So I don't know. You guys should really help, because most of us were there. We don't hang. We know if you come house. We know if you come house.
Well, thank you so much, bro.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy yourself.
May God protect you, because that's what most of you that are always there talking. What I used to ask God is maximum protection upon you people, because you guys are sacrificing yourself to say the truth. Most people are scared to say the truth. There are people that want to be like people to talk, but they are scared. But you guys are taking the bull by the horn. We pray for his protection for you, not only you people, with your children and your wives, your family, every of your family members, because it's not easy. And God will see us through. And Igbo will still come back to the way it used to be. In Jesus' name. Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful day. Yeah, you're welcome.
You too,
yeah, bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, please, my people, share this video. Yeah, I don't know if another person have any contribution. If you wish to say something, indicate and I will bring you in. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so so that is the thing. Yes, talking about extradition, it is actually very easy, but you know Nigerian things. They have a way of doing their things. Sometimes they don't even want to do what they should do, you know. Not that, but if it is another country, if America is interested in a criminal, and if America is interested in an American citizen who is a criminal, who is in Nigeria, Nigeria will hand him over to America. Even a Nigerian citizen who America is interested in, Nigeria will hand that person over to Chris. Nigeria will hand that person over to America. But when somebody is disturbing the peace of Nigeria, I don't know. Nigeria will not do what they should do. It is very simple to get this guy here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Mazindewo.
Hello.
What you guys are doing. This is good. You guys are trying to save us.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
I usually follow you and Ijele and Blessedom too. What my take on this thing is, what are the Igbo leaders saying about this? You know, anyone are there against this thing? We are just ordinary Igbo people. What are Igbo leaders? People like Innocent, people like Pito, the governors, the big business people in the Igbo land. These people that can bring in their resources down and face these criminals head on. Even if Buhari is like, let them kill themselves. Are we going to allow these boys to kill all of us before we know what to do? Why can't, like Oscaris, why can't, these traders that their businesses, yes, these people that their businesses are crumbling, even moderate business people, market leaders, can they bring in resources and attack this thing? Because this is an evil that is going to destroy Igbo land little by little. Little by little. Yeah. Why? Why can't they come together and pray? Because this boy in Finland is a student of the Nnamdi Kanu boy. This Nnamdi Kanu also started. Maybe after Eba is caught, another boy will come again and start doing the same thing. We need to get resources together. Even if they say we should contribute money so that we can push. We don't want them to stop. Like I was listening to you, you said they should stop. We don't want them to stop. We want to catch all of them and kill them off out of this east, because they can never stop. Yeah. They are armed robbers.
Yeah,
that's what I want to say.
Yeah. Okay. I want to try to answer your question as per why are these Igbo leaders, captains of industries, big men, why are they keeping quiet?
Yes.
The reason partly is political. Okay? The reason partly is political. Is the governor of Imo State who is doing something, he comes out and he's doing something and fighting. Do you know why? because he is APC. Okay? Because he is APC. Now, but the other people who are not APC state don't want to do something because if they do something, they believe that you say, oh, you are coming to fight us now, you are fighting your people, we are not going to vote for you. Do you know that this guy, do you remember this guy who was attacked, this capital oil guy? He's a politician.
Yes,
and
yes.
then his men, because they have their own individual security, they feel that they are okay. Let the rest of everybody die. So they now attacked his convoy, killed a lot of people, but he survived. But he was the same guy who were sympathizing with this guy, and he was saying what he did for Igbo people. You know, there was a time they were attacking him and all that. He was sympathizing with them, if you remember. Now they attacked him. They almost killed him, if not for his bulletproof vehicle. You see, so the reason why some of these big men, the reason why, let me tell you again, the reason why some of these big men, the people you mentioned, Kocharis and all of them, the reason why they are not talking is also because they believe that when they condemn it, it will affect them somehow, maybe in their business, in their interest, and areas of interest. Some of them also are connected to politicians. Some of these business people and captains of industries are connected to the politicians. So if they condemn this thing, they'll say, oh, okay, so their people will now come against them. And then some of them who have factories and industries in Igbo land, if they come out and condemn these people, maybe these guys will go to their factory and destroy the factory and set it on fire. Do you understand? That's why some of them are not condemning it. So the businessmen, like the businessmen you mentioned, the Kocharis and all of them, those guys you mentioned, the Makeoff and all of those, you know, they have investments here and there. So if they come out and condemn, they are afraid that their investments would be destroyed by these individuals. And then the politicians who are not condemning it are also afraid that, okay, the people who are sympathizing with them will not now vote them. So everybody wants to cover it up, as long as it's not affecting him, until the day it will affect him. You see the person crying foul. So that is the simple answer that I have, you know, to that.
This is unfortunate. We don't. It looks like there's no light at the end of this tunnel, because if people like that can keep quiet, they don't see the danger in this in the next 5 years. Igbo land will be destroyed. Once the economy of Aba, Onitsha, Enugu, and so on destroyed, we are finished. We become beggars in our own land. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody else wanted to join. Somebody else wanted to join. Well, let me wait a little bit to see if that brother would come on again. Yeah, these things are simple. We can't wait for that, bro. You know, so very simple, very simple, and all these boys doing this thing are our brothers, our sisters. They are brothers to all of some of us. They are husbands to our sisters. They are sons to our fathers and our mothers. You know them. You know them. You know them. Chika and Ewan, I greet you. We know them. Please, the brother that is trying to come on, try again, please. I want to have you. It will come and it will go off. It will come and it will go off. Although you resisted this from when Nandi declared and when Nandi declared and not many elders spoke of. What is the difference with Simon Chitatu? Oh, okay.
Yeah, good afternoon from here.
Good afternoon, sir.
It has been well. I see you on live program. My words always remain that God Almighty will bless you, will protect you for creating time out of no time to see that you liberate the mindset of the global ones, particularly in Southeast. It is rather very, very unfortunate that we found ourselves in such circumstance in this country, but particularly in Southeast, what is happening and is unfortunate. And if care is not taken, things are going to go out of hand. And I'm sorry to say it's going to be worse than Boko Haram. Because this is how Boko Haram starts in the Northeast. When things like this start happening, and the elder statesmen, the politicians, those who are responsible, the state actors are not saying anything about it, it tends to go out of hand. It tends to go out of control. In a place whereby a non-state actor will be the one issuing instruction, controlling the mindset of the people, is very, very unfortunate. Someone will be sitting in Finland and be giving order for people to sit at home for 5 days, not minding what they are going to eat, how they are going to survive, how they are going to do with their family, if maybe there is a peradventure emergency of hospital or anything, illness. Not minding that one, only because of one criminal that is in detention. And the worst thing that is very painful, all what they are doing is not even on the horizon. It's not even on the horizon. The so-called Biafra is not even on the horizon. From now to maybe 50 to 70 years, there's no any Biafra that is coming anywhere. But they cannot sit down to ask what we call matured question, sensible question, common question. There are steps and procedures involved in getting a new country. Can these criminals come out to tell us which one have they achieved yet? If you look at the Montevideo National Convention of 1933, it is clearly stated on how to get a new country from a sovereign country. But which of the steps have they achieved yet? And what will pain you more is that you see the bingos online hailing them as heroes. But I keep asking one question. Can any bingo bodily come out to tell us what has Nnamdi Kanu brought to his Southeast, to Ala-Igbo? What? If not sorrow, if not pain of life, innocent life.
Yeah, if not sorrow,
to be sincere, if you really say that you love your people, you start by what? Giving them, building schools, building people. Can any bingo tell us how many jobs have this implementation create in Southeast? Can any bingo tell us how many jobs this bingo in Finland create in Southeast? If not sending them to bush, killing themselves in the name of Fulani? It's very, very unfortunate. And the worst thing is that the elder statesmen, the emirs, the politicians are not saying anything about this. They keep living on denial. I wonder how they think this society is going to be in the next 5 years, in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years. Instead of the people, the politician, the elder statesmen to come up boldly, tell the people the truth. what you are fighting for is not even on the horizon. Can this fact be stated for once?
Yeah.
So I don't know. And the people like you, Mr. Ejile, Blessendom, Heritimede, that are trying their best to see that they state the truth without sugarcoating any word. You have been tagged as Sabo. I don't understand.
Ricky Perez, stay on the line. I'll bring you in. Go ahead, my brother.
It's very, very unfortunate, to be sincere. And at the same time, the Eperima invitation in 2020, he promised them that if Biafra did not come, then Elohim did not send him. 2020 have come and passed. There's no Biafra. In 2017, he said if he did not give them Biafra, Nigeria will be no more. Nigeria is still existing, and there's no Biafra. Okechukwu came with his own. Pile life of people, go. Obazarike came with his own. Pile life of people, go. Nnamdi Kanu have now Samuel Epa. What kind of nonsensical issue is this one? Can people not sit down and think with their common sense?
I don't know.
The so-called Biafra they are fighting for, if you have killed all the people in that region, who will then enjoy it?
Who will become the Biafra?
I don't understand. It's very, very unfortunate, to be sincere. I am very pissed off, and every day when you wake up, you see 1, 2, 3 people, 5 people pie in the name of so-called Biafra that is not even on the horizon. Biafra is dead and buried with Okechukwu. This is a fact.
It's a fact. No, it's a fact. See, it is sorry for interjecting. It is a fact. Any of my brother who do not want to believe this is just hallucinating. You are deceiving gullible people. This fight, this thing is gone. You cannot achieve it. You cannot. And that's not even the way to go about such things. Go ahead. It's a fact. Hello?